As one of Europe's most classical capital cities, Athens continues to draw upon its heritage as the melting pot of the world's first symposia and fora to reshape itself into a progressive hub of dynamic future thinking. With its characteristic openness and diversity, Athens was authentically global before globalization became a catchword. We have always understood that true powers arrive through connection, innovation, and ideas. Democracy and transformative visionary thinking are in the cultural DNA of Athens. Our past speaks for itself. Join us as we present the perfect stage to share the bold new concepts and prime opportunities that will help build a sustainable future for us all. Why Athens? Let's walk through the features and competitive advantages that make Athens your next meeting or city break destination. Athens, a city that carries 3,500 years of continuous history, has always been a trailblazer. Some of humanity's most exciting ideas were born here. Its exceptional past is coupled with a dynamic contemporary culture. Athens guarantees authentic experiences bonded to its heritage, present, and future. In Athens, 4 millennia of recorded history, 80+ world-famous museums, and 2 UNESCO marvels mingle up close with a vibrant contemporary life in a quite fascinating mix of classical and cutting-edge urban and seaside. 123 indoor and outdoor cinemas, 148 modern and ancient stone theaters, cultural events, and rooftop bars swirl around the Parthenon. Here you can see clockwise the Odeon of Herodes Atticus, a summer performance open-air ancient theater. Next to it, you can see the well-known Parthenon on top of the Acropolis Rock. And just next to it, a rooftop open-air cinema in the city center of Athens. In the lower part of the slide, you can see the well-known Museum of Acropolis, where all Acropolis treasures are displayed. Athens' privileged geographical location at the crossroads of 3 continents, Europe, Africa, and Asia, offers easy access to travelers from wherever they come. Aegean Airlines is the national carrier and a member of Star Alliance, providing full-service, premium quality, short and medium-haul services. Athens is connected to 91 countries without visa requirement, and Greece is an EU and Schengen area member. Athens International Airport is welcoming annually more than 6.4 million visitors. The multi-awarded Athens International Airport is one of the fastest-growing airports globally. It is connected to all major cities at competitive prices, while constantly enriching its network with new carriers and destinations. In 2020, Athens International Airport received the Global Airport Efficiency Award and announced Route 2025, its official commitment to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2025. Travel time to the city center takes no more than 30 minutes. Athens' modern and unique citywide metro, with the newest metro infrastructure in Europe, is not merely a transport service, but a cultural attraction. With priceless archaeological artifacts on display at a number of stations for public viewing, the Athens Underground resembles a mini museum that cements the legacy of the city. The transportation network offers 88.5 kilometers of underground, 59.3 kilometers of tram service, and 50 kilometers of bus lane, and is a state-of-the-art commuting complex. Athens is a future-ready destination, from experiential and physical to hybrid and virtual engagement with the city of Athens. Athens city authorities are taking all necessary steps to protect all of the citizens and visitors in the city. Safety protocols were established across all infrastructure in the hotel and tourism industry, adapting and developing further safety initiatives to the established national guidelines. The range of location is as multifaceted as the city itself. Historic landmarks and ultra-modern spaces with top-range meeting facilities, breathtaking seaside locations, scenic sites for unforgettable open-air events. From historical sites such as Zapion to the Athenian Trilogy. Athens Neoclassical Trilogy, as it is commonly called, at Panepistemou Street, is defined with the heart of the intellectual life of the city. These are three impressive neoclassical mansions that were constructed in the 19th century. We go up to modern facilities such as Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center, the Museum of Acropolis, or even outdoors, such as Grand Resort Lagonissi. In Athens, hospitality isn't just an industry, it is a lifestyle. You will find state-of-the-art hotels with excellent facilities, design boutique hotels, classical architectural jewels with dashing views of the Acropolis, and luxury seaside resorts to enjoy pampering and rejuvenation by the Aegean. Athens and Greater Athens region offer a total of over 33,000 rooms in 675 hotels with a great selection of units very well located. Enhancing the quality and scope of the visitor experience, the hotel sector is continuously developing with new hotels, renovations, and new international chains investing in Athens. Here are some of our member hotels. Intercontinental, downtown Athens, the view from the rooftop of Hilton Athens, Divani Caravelle Athens, again located in the city center, and then Grand Resort Lagonissi in the seaside of Athens. Athens is a dynamic knowledge ecosystem with valuable intellectual capital in predominant areas of expertise. Athens, in particular, is home to 11 universities, including the National Technical University of Athens, one of the most recognized institutions globally. There are 54 faculties, 109 departments, and 21 research centers. 96 million euros were invested in 2019 in Greek startups through the Equifund apparatus. 300 companies have benefited from a total of 2.4 billion euros of investments in innovation. The city of Athens has been investing in a revitalization strategy for an improved, re-energized city and future aligned to the Sustainable Development Goals. The city is committed to a comprehensive urban management plan based on the principles of sustainability and resilience, with better maintenance of public green spaces. The plan includes the upgrade of urban and public spaces and infrastructure all over Athens, with a focus on its popular commercial center. To this, we should add a network of more than 30 green key properties in Athens. Athens is experiencing an exciting transformation through the creation of important cultural landmarks, innovative new urban regeneration projects, and redesign. The city has begun one of the largest urban interventions in the history of the capital, a complete plan for the revitalization and unification of the historic center through the creation of the Great Athens Walk. This network of new pedestrian routes will connect Athens' historic neighborhoods and world-class archaeological treasures, allowing residents and visitors to explore the city without cars. The vital project will be completed by 2022, set to deliver 50,000 square meters of free public space, creating the most beautiful city walk of Europe with a total length of 6.8 kilometers. Among others, the city plan also includes the renovation of two landmark sites in the center of Athens, the Lycabettus Hill and the National Gardens, alongside the creation of a new athletics and entertainment park to transform the formerly run-down area of Eleonas. The Hellinikon revitalization, the site of the old Athens International Airport, is one of the most ambitious development projects ever undertaken in Greece. This prime unexploited parcel of 6 million square meters will include a metropolitan park of 2 million square meters and a prototype city aimed to include business, research, and student campuses, as well as residential developments. It will also feature recreational and commercial uses, Attica's largest retail mall, hotel complexes, and leisure activities, and a new beach of 1 kilometer. According to estimates, Hellinikon will attract over 1 million new tourists to the region. The area of Falliro in Athens' coastal suburbs has undergone one of the most ambitious reinventions, with the creation of the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center. This outstanding new culture hub is now home to the Greek National Opera, the National Library of Greece, as well as the Stavros Niarchos Park, a spectacular green oasis and a community resource. The Basil and Elis Goulandris Foundation, the newest blockbuster museum in Athens, opened its doors in 2019 in the hip neighborhood of Pankrati. The collection offers a panorama of the most important 19th and 20th century artists, including Picasso, Cézanne, Van Gogh, Monet, Degas, Pollock, Bacon, and Chagall, along with 2 floors devoted to 20th century and contemporary Greek art. Moreover, a major property lease agreement is set to transform the Arsakio Arcade in the heart of central Athens into a multiplex, food court, and mini shopping center, with an emphasis on traditional Greek cuisine and the Mediterranean diet. Athens is a Mediterranean city with the friendliness of a village at heart, forged made from the Athenian sun and people, the food, the resort-style nearby coastline, and our beautiful nearby islands. From nature trips to excursions along the luxurious Athens Riviera, Athens, with its unique climate, combining sea and mountain, and of course, unequaled history, offers endless options for activities that have to do with adventure, sea, food, team spirit, CSR, culture, back to nature, feel like Greek, and wellness. Or you can even mix it up with a day trip to one of the 6 nearby islands. With an average daylight of 9 hours, a much envied climate, and incredible blue skies, Athens will please you with both its weather and warm-hearted locals. The year-round sunshine even during the winter months, the warm climate with the more than 300 days of sun and a 20 degrees average temperature makes Athens one of the most friendly capitals of Europe. Famous for its renowned Mediterranean cuisine, Athens offers an outstanding gastronomic scene. Its contemporary urban vibe caters to every appetite and style, from traditional street food, souvlaki, to modern Greek cuisine and awarded Michelin restaurants. Athens gives its visitors the opportunity to enjoy their lunch or dinner in unique places with unbeatable views. Just a 20-minute ride away from downtown Athens, the Athens Riviera is like dipping your toes into the Greek island lifestyle. Athens is the only European capital with a coastline of more than 50 kilometers, adorned with 20 blue flag beaches and 11 marinas, a playground of blue flag beaches, barefoot fish tavernas, and 5-star resorts popular to the international jet set. The 50 kilometers coastline of the Athens Riviera is a gloriously winding seafront road with blasted out tunnels and unspoiled swimming coves where summer stretches for 6 months. Take a daily sailing boat tour to the marvelous islands of Aegina, Poros, Hydra, or Spetses. Organize a yacht charter and enjoy all sports related to water like windsurfing, kite, hoverboard, stand-up paddling, flyboard, or water ski. Athens is a microcosm of traditions and skills found throughout the Greek world. It guarantees authentic experiences connected to its heritage, present, and future. From rich cultural immersions such as philosophy walks and workshops on pottery, to craft and wear your own ancient masks, Athens will not disappoint you. Feel the energy of the Greek spirit while crossing the finishing line of the mini marathon at the famous Panathinaikos Stadium, which is actually the birthplace of the first modern Olympic Games in 1896. Athens offers extraordinary hands-on activities that will allow you to discover the fragile beauty of the Mediterranean ecosystem and the breathtaking landscapes of the Attica region. Take a jeep tour through the National Park of Sunion, participate in a traditional grape harvest, or learn why Greeks are dedicated to their olive trees at a tree planting activity. While in Athens, you will enjoy the finest Greek PDO products. Arrange for a tour at a typical food market like Varvakios Agora to sample local tastes and flavors. A group cooking class at a traditional deli, or a visit to a Greek farm for a unique farm-to-fork feast. If you are in the MICE industry, corporate social responsibility is a priority for the City of Athens, with the commitment to develop as a sustainable business event destination. Include tailor-made CSR content during your events in Athens, offer unique and on-message experiences to your delegates, and enable them to expand their skills and teamwork. This is Athens Convention and Visitors Bureau was established in April 2008 to represent Athens in the global MICE and leisure market. We are part of the Athens Development and Destination Management Agency, a public company created by the City of Athens to represent its international interests and establish Athens as a competitive destination for international tourism, investment, and talent. Our membership network represents more than 100 of the largest tourism enterprises in Athens, all of them displayed on your right-hand side. This is Athens Convention and Visitors Bureau is expanding its network and is an active member of the global community. Now, let's get a glimpse of what Athens is all about in 60 seconds. Thank you very much for your time and hope to see you and your guests soon in Athens.